So, what are we doing today? Well, we're going to take down a scammer. So, if you've seen the video on YouTube where basically this dude, I will put his channel down in the description. I don't remember it at the top of my head, but basically he finds a scammer site. It's like a giveaway, whatever, a win, or you want a free Xbox, whatever it is. You enter all this information, yada, yada, yada. Then it pulls up a screen like this where it asks for your credit card. So, what is the matter of this? You put it in or you put fake numbers in and boom, you press next and they take your information and they try it later. No. Okay. If you saw the video, just like him, this actually has a credit card reader. So, what does that mean? Well, each time you put in a credit card, it will actually scan your card and check if it's an actual card. Well, what does that mean? That means that charges them a fee. About 2/10 of a penny, I want to say it's about 2/10 of a penny, or maybe it's 2 pennies. I don't know. I gotta look it up. But yeah, we're gonna make a program that runs a bunch of those actions, and it's gonna be a big bill for the scammer. So let's go and code it. So beginning to code this, I'm gonna use obviously we're coding this in Python, but I'm using Selenium. It's basically you can do website stuff with Python. It's an add-in that I like to use. So the website that was basically the scamming is this, right? You enter this and then it goes to this page. So when I run this, it's just gonna open this, right? You don't need to do this. It's just for a visual. But yeah, it's gonna open this. So now what we need to do is we need to make it so it fills out all these boxes and press next because we need to get to the page where all the stuff is at, credit card stuff. How do we actually do that? Well, with Selenium, again, it's just a module in Python. It's pretty easy, so that's why I'm using it for today's video. But we're going to go to inspect, and we're going to pretty much lay this out by the ID value. We're going to do the equal, and there we go. Okay, so what this is basically what I'm saying is we got to make a variable to store this box in, and it's going to be called first name driver find element. It's going to find this element by the ID. So when you inspect, right, you go to inspect, right, this is all HTML code, and we're going to go to where it says text box, and you can see, so we copy where it says name. As you can see, it says name equals first name. We're going to copy that, and we're just going to have to change this. We're going to find it by name. So it's basically this program is going to search in the inspect element and find the name. We're gonna go first name dot send keys, and it's gonna send whatever we put in here. So we're just gonna put like a random name, like let's just do John. I spelled John wrong. We're not gonna talk about it. So now if we run this, you can see that it inputs John. Wow. So what we're gonna do now is basically just do this for every other text box. So I'll probably do like a little time lapse because I don't want this video to be long. So now we have to do choose state because this is fine, but it needs to press it and press one down, which is very simple to do. All we need to do is pretty much go in here. We need to find this, then find its extraction. Now what we want to do is we want to press next after all this is done. And yeah, we should have it fully automated now. I'm thinking if we need to put a little delay when it starts it up. So if this loads too much, it seems fine. So that's cool. So now look at that. Other way where you don't need to open this. You don't need to use Selenium. Again, it could be very annoying opening a ton of browsers. But doing that, I mean, it's cool for the visual. That's why I really did it for the video. the easiest way to do this is just do what we exactly did. We're just going to do this, and what I'm going to do here is create a little delay. So fry and range, I'll explain in a little bit. We're just going to make this like a little delay. We'll do, oops, forgot the colon, don't forget your colons. We'll just do time.sleep, and then we'll do like a 1 second delay. Copy this for a sec, and I think we can do it by ID. That should be fine. Let's see here. Okay, we're not gonna do it by ID. We may have to do it by class. We're not gonna do a real credit card number. We're gonna do a credit card number that no one has, okay? But it's an actual legit like test number. Now we're gonna have to do this, but now you have to press on this, you see? So we're gonna do the same thing we did with the state button, right? So I'm gonna quickly code that out, and yeah. Oh, okay. I know what it. I didn't put the parentheses. Okay. Now we should be good. Sorry about that. And yeah, we should be good to go. Look at that. Wow. Now we press next. Yep. Now that we have that, should run perfectly. Here we go. Submitting information. Bada bang, bada boom. Wow. Yeah. Okay, cool. So it's just gonna say not supported payment type. Literally what that means, it's kind of like a trick thing. It literally just means that this card's not gonna work. And it's finally done. I'm gonna zoom in here in a minute, but the code's finally done. Yeah, 100 lines of code. Now, the video, what I found out is, if I can press this, zoom in here, one more should be fine. No, that's too much. No way, that's good. Okay, so yeah, the dude I was talking about is Engineer Man. I can't believe I forgot his name. But yeah, go sub to him. He's really cool. So what I did here is we have this whole regular function. You guys saw me code it. We coded it together. It's, it fills out everything and submits it. Now this, it's going to just do this last half, and you'll see when I run it. It's just going to input the card numbers and everything in a loop. So fry and range 1,000 times. Now I needed to put this here. This is a 2 second or a second delay, 2 second delay, something like that. Because if it constantly submits, it could do that for like 10 times straight. But then after that, the site kind of has a little loading sign that will just not load. It'll just do that forever. But if I do like a delay, it won't do that. So yeah, let's just run this and check it out. So we run it. It does this. It goes in, and this is where the loop's gonna start right now. See, there's the little delay right there, the delay, and then it keeps on going. So yeah, why it's doing this as well, it's gonna print 2 cents every single time. So right now we've charged them 10 cents approximately, maybe like 2 cents, I don't know, or maybe 20 cents, and we keep on doing that. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I could run it on multiple things. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. What I ended up doing, I left this running on for probably about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. And this is what the site's doing. So obviously the dude probably got a notification or whatever to take it down or something like that, because it just does not load. So what this means now is, yeah, we got to the scammer. I want to say I charged, if it was 2 cents per, looking back, I want to say I charged maybe $80, $90, something like that. Not a whole lot, obviously, but hey, $80, $90, that's better than a lot of things. I probably charged them like $60, $70. and then he shut down the site. So if he wasn't there, though, I'd probably charge him a couple hundred to 1,000. I don't care. I would have let it run forever. So yeah, if you want this code, it won't be available because the site's down and there's really no point. But if you want it just to have it, if you want it just to have it, there you go. I'm zooming out as much as I can. You can copy it all down. If you want, it's 100 lines. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it on GitHub again because it literally just it means nothing, obviously now, because this is all pointing to that site. But yeah, hey, on this channel, I'm gonna do a lot of this stuff because I'm not very like, I don't even know what to post, like other stuff. I'm not very great at coding. I'm just learning it basically. I've started a month ago in Python. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want more, like it. So peace out.